everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make red velvet cookies. So let's get started. In this video for the red velvet cookies, I'm going to be using Acabado red velvet color. It's very lovely, and you'll see the way I'm going to use it in this video. So I have my margarine, my sugar, I have a cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, I have salt here, and I also have my flour and my eggs. So let's get started. So with the use of your tongue,
From my cradle days till this very day, I have never ever heard or seen my Jesus face. From before time began, he has never ever changed. He's the same today, just as he was yesterday. Miracle, goodness, favor, mercy, show.
Acabado red velvet color.
He'll give you everything and more.
I'm using 2 teaspoons.
My eyes have seen and my ears have heard of the favor and the blessing of the Lord upon my life. Papa, you too much, oh. Jesus, now Papa, overdue. Oh, patience, that the Lord is good. Papa, your goodness, it dey make my belly full. Papa, you too much, oh. Yeah. This one a blessing overdose, oh. Miracle, no dey tire, Jesus.
Once you've rolled, you can decide to leave them as balls or flatten them. It depends on the kind of texture you want them to look. Oh, they are ready after I've baked for like 30 minutes. They are delicious, crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside. Here I added some chocolates on the center and added sprinkles. I'm going to use it to decorate the cake. It's so beautiful. Thank you all for watching. I want to appreciate everyone. So I want you to try out these velvet colors from Acabado. They come in different variants, different colors, blue, red, yellow. So you can also use those colors to make your cookies. You can make your blue velvet cookies, yellow velvet. It's all your choice. Please subscribe to our channel. We love you all. See you in the next video. Bye for now.